Sell that.
I guarantee they was trying to make ends flip.
How much is that?
No, baby.
How much was it?
Hey y'all, it's your girl Fina the Stylist, and today I am doing another unboxing, and I'm going to be unboxing this wig that I got from Amazon. It's zip tied. I don't know what was the purpose of doing that, but I respect it. I'll be back. Okay. Thank you for being with us. It came with a wig band, edge brush, wig cap, and a little brochure on how to wash as well. And let's see. This is going back immediately. Let me do. I don't even want to.
You don't like that? What the fuck is that, yo?
What
the? You got that from?
Yo.
Of course, that's why. Just don't do a video.
They play. No, I'm sending it back. Of course. Do a video on that, though. I am, nigga. This is what you get, nigga. This is a raw review. Like I'm. Yeah, this is going back. They ain't getting no. You can have all of that. It's the edge brushes is not needed. Wig brush, wig band. No, they better give me a return. They said contact them within 24 hours, so I'm gonna contact them right now. Bye. I am so upset. Bye.